Good afternoon and welcome to this windy, wily Wednesday. Oh, goodness me, everything's moving outside. It's extremely windy, yet again, and Anyhow, I'm in the front room and as you can see, I'm surrounded by shutter blinds. Lovely. We love our blinds, they've been brilliant. Only one slat has actually broken in the almost 10 years that we've had them. They won't last forever, but they last for quite a long time. The only thing about them is keeping them clean. I normally use a feather duster, but I tend to lose several feathers in the process. They get snagged in between. I tried a microfiber cloth. That gets snagged as well. But a colleague at work said to me the other day when we were having this conversation, I know, stimulating her, she said to me, "Have you thought about using an old sock?" I said, "No, I haven't." She said, "Well, why don't you try?" So I did. And it's a revelation. Look, I don't even have to look. I can do it without looking. And it gets right to the corners. And underneath, just use the back of your hand, or you can grab for extra traction and extra cleanliness. Look, I'm doing it without looking. I mean, normally I have to look. I mean, it's fantastic. I just can't believe it. And what you could actually do is spray the sock with a little bit of Mr. Sheen or any other type of furniture polish that you might have. I mean, that's just... And it gets into those little hard to reach areas too. I mean, that's quick. That is quick. Normally I've snagged the cloth several times, lost several feathers off the feather duster and got very, very annoyed. But look at that. I mean, it's a revelation. Oh, there. Isn't that great? And I just had to share that with you. And yes, there is some dust on here from the bits I must have missed previously. Anyhow, that's it. Just a quick tip for you owners of blinds and shutters and such like. There we are, an old sock. And on a lonely day, you can talk to each other. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very dirty now.
I better say goodbye now, hadn't I? Yeah. Goodbye. See you very soon. Thanks for watching.